Hello, I'm a tardigrade, and this is my humble abode. As you can see, I'm pretty small since my home is on moss. This is not actually the size of me since I'm microscopic, but I made a size of me that's much bigger so I can be in this video. Ooh, look, here's a penny for me to compare my size to.
Oh my gosh.
That is a penny. That is me. I'll go up closer to show you. See? I'm small. I'm so tiny, I'm usually microscopic. But this is just a clay version of me that I've inhabited so I could tell you some fun facts about me. Like, did you know I can survive anywhere? Even in cold Arctic and even in space. Like here. Ba-dum, ba-dum, ba-dum. It's in space. I'm not affected at all. I don't need to breathe. And I can be all sorts of colors. No one's found me in pink yet, but I can be clear, gray, black, orange, and even purple sometimes. Well, it's been good chatting with you. I've got to go enter a creative sprint. Bye!